All right. So what we're going to do today, kiddos, is we are going to do a math activity using our 5 little sharks and listening to our story. So sit down, please. I'm going to give you each 5 little sharks. Set them up in front of you, please. Just put them right in a row.
What do
And
we
this,
have to do?
show Ella. Watch Ella. She's going to show you. Put them right in front of you, just like that. Line them up on the table. And we're going to count them, and we're going to use them to subtract. Can you say that?
Subtract.
Subtract. So that means to take away. Okay? Here, let's get it
Okay.
out. Here, let's
One.
put it. Ready? Go ahead.
One,
Count your
2,
shark.
3, 4, 5.
Excellent. Excellent.
5.
So it goes with the story, 5 little sharks swimming in the sea. So we have how many to start?
5.
5. All right,
5
ready?
in a row.
5 little sharks swimming in the sea. Can you count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Excellent. Just like the 5 little sharks you have on your. One bumped into a giant manatee. The mother called the doctor. The doctor said, "No more sharks swimming in the sea." So I want you to take one away and flip it over and put it on your bench. Yep, right on your bench. All right, so can you count how many sharks you have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good. Let's see if it matches with our book.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good. 4 little sharks splashing by the shore. One got stuck on the ocean floor. Uh-oh, take one away. The mother called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more sharks splashing by the shore." Can you count how many you have left?
1, 2, 3.
Good. Let's see if it matches. 1, 2, 3. 3 little sharks racing past a whale. Look how big that whale is. One got close and banged his tail. Take one away. Mother called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more sharks racing past a whale." How many do you have left, Alex?
2.
How many do you have left, Ella?
2.
Good. Let's see if it matches up. 1, 2. 2 little sharks playing hide and seek. One got lost and was missing for a week. Take one away. The mother called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more sharks playing hide and seek." How many do you have left?
1.
1. Let's see. 1. 1 little shark swimming all alone ate too much fish and began to groan. The mother called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more sharks swimming all alone." Take it away. How many do you have left?
None. 0.
Let's see if it matches up with our
I
story.
have 0.
You have 0. Let's check it out. Now, there's no little sharks swimming in the sea. No little sharks as happy as can be. Let's check on our little sharks. Here we go. Oh, look, they're all sad. The mother called the doctor, and the doctor said, "Let those sharks swim wild and free." Put your fishies back up here. Let them go. Swim, swim, swim.
Swim, swim.
How many fishies do we have now?
Swim free in the wild.
Yep, free and in the wild.
Like wildcats.
How many do we have all together?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wait, can I count first?
Let Ella count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good. So you had how many?
I had 5 and
Plus.
Alex had plus 5 equals 10.
Very good. Alex, go ahead. You can count now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good.
11.
No. You ended up here. End here. 10. So how many did you have?
10.
5. And Ella had 5. So 5 plus 5 equals
10.
10. A nice, quick, easy math lesson.
What's that owl's last